Hello everyone. Welcome to the King's Exploits channel. Before you begin watching the video, we have a small request to make. Please watch the entire clip and provide your honest feedback. Okay, now it's time to leap in. When it comes to choosing between a debit or credit card for your purchases, the decision can be a tough one. Debit cards are great for keeping your spending in check, as you're using your own money. On the other hand, credit cards offer rewards and build your credit score, but be wary of high interest rates if you don't pay off your balance. So, weigh the pros and cons carefully to decide which option suits your financial goals and spending habits best. Thank you for watching the entire video. Your active participation would enable and inspire us to create more interesting videos in the future. We at the King's Exploits channel would love to get your honest feedback. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Further, pressing the bell icon will give you an instant notification whenever a new video is posted. Have a great day!